Hi, I'm Shayna, and I'm the lead designer here at Wit Digital. It's more important than ever to have a great website because websites are improving dramatically every single year. And if you want to keep up with, and more importantly, beat your competition, it's important to have an amazing website that stands out from the crowd that you're able to compete with. That's going to include all the basics, such as having a site that's optimized for mobile, is easy to navigate, loads fast, and is engaging to customers so they will actually convert. Here at Wit, we've always said that the number one employee is your website because it's working for you 24/7, 365 days a year. So it's important to keep it updated with the right information. You never want to launch a website and then forget about it. You want to constantly be updating and maintaining and improving it. Your website tells the story of who you are as a company, your values, who your employees are, and how you can solve customers' problems and why you are the absolute best choice for your customers. Your website is a lead generator. It's a driving factor on how you get leads, so it's important to make it as easy as possible for people who are coming to your website to find the information that they're looking for and then convert either through scheduling service online, filling out a form, or picking up the phone and giving you a call. Here at Wit Digital, we prioritize on building websites that look great, focus on turning users into lifelong customers, and telling your brand story while creating a unique experience that stands out. So don't just keep up with your competition in 2024, but beat them by getting a Wit Digital website.